Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video, I am so excited. We have lots of new things going on. Number one, I'm filming with my brand new camera. What it is, it'll be linked down below. Also, this is my first series on my channel. So for a while, I've been wanting to do a series of something on my channel. So essentially what it is I think I want to do every season. I'm not quite sure how often I want to do this. So for the first season of my new series, I want to do 5 days of ALiEN. So this is the first look. This is the first episode in the series. And so yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Alright, let's get started with the ALiEN palette. Alright, so for this look here, we're going to go in with the shade Titan and put that all over the crease. Nothing too crazy with the shade. Basically, you're just putting it on your eyelid. Next, we're gonna go in with Gravity and put that in the crease. Here we go. I'm kind of placing the color, like pretty much like my lid's like right here. I'm placing the color right above the lid to create that crease line. Okay, and I'm going to take the shade and pack it a little bit on the outer V, to give me that lifted look. There we go. And like math class, if we do to one eye, we're going to do to the other. Okay, so as you can see, this side's a little bit darker than this. That's because I had excess black on this shadow from previous look I did. Pro tip, clean your brushes. Next, we're going to go into the shade Black Hole and put that to just deepen up the crease. That's why I wasn't too worried about this side being too dark, because I'm going to darken it up anyways. Now with black, you just want to dip your brush slightly in there and slightly pack the color on, especially if you're not used to working with black, just so that you don't overpack, because if you underpack, you can always put on more, but if you put too much on, you can't always take that off. So first, I'm just going to put this in the outer V. I didn't put a lot on the brush, that's why it may not seem like it's coming a lot on my face. I'm just, again, working very slowly. So kind of just like stamping a little bit of shadow where I want it to be at before I go full on in with the pigment. I know this looks really bad right now, but remember, it's just the first steps. We're not there yet. Take a little blending brush to help blend that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with a different brush, and now I'm gonna start packing on the black. There we go, the black now is starting to come together. So I went ahead and blended out the black a little bit more just so that it is blended. Next, I'm going to cut the crease using the Tarte tape shape. I'm just going to put this and put it halfway through on the lid. If you want to know how high to make the crease, just wet your lid right there and then just look up and blink. And then wherever it stamps, that's how high you need to go. Alrighty, as a base, I'm going to go in with Flying Saucer and put that on the lid. I'm going to go with this tiny little blending brush, kind of use it as a packer. There we go, we're just packing the green on the lid. I'm just blending out this little harsh line right here in between, merging the green and the black. So everything is one big happy family. Next, the flat brush, we're going to wet it using MAC Fix Plus. Haven't used this in a minute. You guys, I got the rose scent. I don't even remember buying this. With the brush, then we're going to dip into ALiEN and put that in the center. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, that is amazing. Alright, then we go with that other brush and then dip into Flying Saucer to help blend out that outer edge so it's not such a harsh line. I'm going to go with Flying Saucer and Black Hole on this little brush and then just blend it into the crease just to soften out that little harsh edge. I'm gonna go with Interstellar and I'm gonna dab a little bit into the center of ALiEN. Just give it that extra. I'm gonna take the shade Flying Saucer and kind of smoke that underneath, not too much. Maybe not take it all the way to the edge and all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm gonna dip into Black Hole to like connect the outer edge and then the inner corner. We're gonna take Interstellar and put it in the inner corner. Alright, so this eye is pretty much done for. I'm gonna do the other camera off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So I did the other eye off camera as well as I put on Morphe So Charming lashes, and to do my liner I used this Joah felt tip liquid eyeliner. So this next part is either going to make or break the look. I've never done this before. I've seen it done before. I've seen people around use Jeffree Star's Cosmetic Liquid Lips as eyeliner. I'm going to test that. I'm going to take the shade Mistletoe and put that in my waterline. So how I think I'm going to accomplish this, I'm just going to take it on the brush and just dab in there. And we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so we're going to take the brush right here. Now, from what I remember, people say wait for it to get tacky a little bit and then go right in, so it kind of acts like a gel. I don't know. Oh, there we go. So what I did was, paranoidly, I just like swiped it, and then what I was doing before is I was like swiping on my hand to get not as gunky, and when I did not do that, when I skipped the part, I just went straight on it. Now it's showing up. As someone who's doing this for the first time, it feels a lot more thick than normal like liner in the waterline. Alright, so do we even see oh, yes, there is definitely a difference. Oh, yes, there is definitely a difference. Now, if I went in with a lighter shade like this, I think it would definitely pop. Alrighty, waterline is done. And like I said, for someone who did this for their first time ever, it just feels like a lot more thicker eyeliner going in there. It didn't feel too bad, doesn't feel too bad. Alrighty, and the eyes are complete. So now let's go into the rest of the face. Now for highlight today, I think I want to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood. Oh, yes, God. Oh my God. Next, we're gonna go in with my one and only favorite blush, the e.l.f. Coral blush. I don't know, for some reason, I just love this blush, and I think it just goes with every look. Alright, now for lips, I'm gonna keep it ALiEN and Intergalactic. I'm gonna go in with the shade Clout. It is a purple metallic shade. I think that'll be really pretty. With this look, you can go with a nude, or you can go with metallic green, whichever is your preference. But just to keep with the ALiEN thing, I'm gonna go with a purple. I was gonna say this for another video, but I can't wait. We're gonna go with the Supreme Frost and highlight my face. This is honestly the perfect pair. So Hollywood and Wet Dream. So Hollywood and Wet Dream makes a wet fantasy. Alrighty, and I think this completes the look. The only one thing left to do is set the face. So let's close our open palette before we start spraying everywhere. Alright, I'm just gonna shade. Alright, I'm gonna change, I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. So, I switched into this turtleneck right here. If any of you guys know me, you know that I hate turtlenecks. I'm slightly claustrophobic, so this I'm just like, oh my god, get it off my neck. But let's talk about the eyeshadow palette. ALiEN Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love this eyeshadow palette. It is definitely, even though there is scary colors in there, you definitely get a neutral look out of it and pop in some color if you just want to, you know, edge up your look. Sorry, I can't talk. So yeah, let's talk about the shades that I use. Titan. I use that for my lid. It's a perfect base color. Gravity, perfect transition shade. Flying Saucer, great green. I haven't played with, actually I played with some greens before. This one is really good. Black Hole. Y'all know I love my Kylie Cosmetics black. This one I have to say is right up there, maybe a little bit better. Oh, and I also played with Interstellar. That one's amazing. Something that I did completely new for this video, I used a Jeffree Star liquid lip. I used a liquid lipstick in the eye. I think if I did a bright color, it would have a great effect, but I think it's a very minimal effect. I wouldn't say go out of your way and buying all these different shades just to get the look. I think it's a very minimal effect, but I think it is nice. The only other new item that I used in this video was this Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lips in shade Clout. It's the metallic purple. I have to say it is really pretty. This is part of this holiday collection. I enjoyed how this look turned out. This smoky eye, cut crease green shadow look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show us the love by clicking that like button down below. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by hitting that subscribe button down below. I upload videos every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that bell notification to be alerted exactly when I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links are linked down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, click the ones that are flowing around me. And don't forget, the next part of the series will be out tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.